Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about what is logic 0 and logic 1. Okay, so logic 0 and logic 1 are nothing but the logic levels used in logic gates. So logic 0 can be represented as false or false condition, and logic 1 can be represented as true or true condition. Okay, so logic 0 can also be represented as off condition, and logic 1 as on condition. So and logic 0 can be represented as low in some conditions, and logic 1 can be represented as high. Okay, so now logic 0 can be represented as no, and logic 1 represents yes, and in some cases logic 0 represents the open switch. Okay, and sometimes logic 1 represents closed switch. So the logic 0 and logic 1 are nothing but the boolean 0 and 1, which represents logic levels. So thank you for watching. Bye.